If you've been searching for a simple way to organize your team's workflows, Process.st's Workflow Builder could be exactly what you need. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use Process.st's Workflow Builder so you can get started quickly and make your processes more efficient in no time. First, let's dive right into the basics. Once you're logged into Process.st, the Workflow Builder is where all the magic happens. It's a simple drag and drop interface that allows you to create workflows that can automate tasks, manage team responsibilities, and track progress in real time. What makes it unique is its ability to combine checklists, automations, and integrations all in one place. Start by creating a new workflow. You'll see options to either start from scratch or use a template. If you're new to Process.st, starting with a template can be a real time saver. You can browse through their extensive library and choose one that fits your needs, then customize it as necessary. Once you've selected a template or created your own, it's time to add steps to your workflow. Each step in the Workflow Builder can include checklists, instructions, and even form fields. This gives you the flexibility to break your process into actionable items for your team. For example, if you're managing a project, each step could represent a different task your team members need to complete, and you can assign those tasks directly within the builder. Adding tasks is simple. You just click on the Add Step button, and you can choose from a variety of step types, like text fields, number fields, date fields, and more. You can also add conditional logic, which is a game changer if you need your workflow to adapt based on the data entered in earlier steps. One of the key features of Process.st is its ability to automate certain actions. With the Workflow Builder, you can set up automated emails, task assignments, or even data syncing with other apps. For instance, you can automatically send a reminder email to a team member if they haven't completed their task by a certain time. This is a huge time saver and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Now, let's talk about the integrations. Process.st integrates with tools like Zapier, Slack, Google Drive, and many more, so you can link your workflows directly to your favorite apps. This makes it easier to centralize all your team's work and keep everything organized in one place. For example, you can automatically upload files to Google Drive after a specific workflow step is completed, or send a Slack message to notify your team about updates. One thing that really stands out about Process.st's Workflow Builder is its ability to track progress. Once your workflow is up and running, you can monitor how far along each task is in real time. You'll get a full overview of completed, in progress, and pending tasks, which helps you stay on top of everything. Now, you might be wondering if there's a way to get started with Process.st without committing to a paid plan right away. Well, there's good news. You can use Process.st's Workflow Builder completely free by clicking the link in the description below. We've partnered up to offer you an exclusive extended free trial, so you can test out all the features and see how they can work for your team before committing. Before you go, remember that Process.st's Workflow Builder isn't just about creating checklists. It's a powerful tool that helps you automate, track, and improve your processes, saving you time and improving efficiency across the board. Make sure you check out that link below for your extended free trial to get the most out of this awesome tool. And that's it. With this quick guide, you now know exactly how to use Process.st's Workflow Builder to streamline your workflows.